Hello, welcome to the visual installation guide for PDFCommunicator. After watching this video, you will have PDFCommunicator installed with a license. We start when you have the PDFCommunicator setup file downloaded to your desktop. Select your preferable installation language and start the installation process. Choose the PDFCommunicator components you need. If you are going to evaluate PDFCommunicator, it's advisable to install the demo documents. The written manual that comes with PDFCommunicator uses this file for explanation of the solution. Naturally, you need the test license as well if you haven't obtained a purchase license already. PDFCommunicator runs as a desktop application for design or limited office use. For a wider use, you may install the monitor, which is a hot folder that processes documents from your desktop. Larger companies prefer PDFCommunicator as a service. This server application is covered in this installation as well. When you've made your option choice, you continue the installation process. During the process, the EasyData License Manager pops up and gives you the capability to add additional licenses. Standard EasyData offers an online activation process, but you can choose for offline activation as well. That's it. After these steps, you have PDFCommunicator installed.